Amaravati is the capital city of Andhra Pradesh, located on the southern banks of the Krishna River in Guntur district, where Vignan University is located. Vignan's foundation for science, technology and research is an NBA accredited, NAC A graded and ISO 9001-2008 certified institution. Located in the serene environs of Vadlamudi on the Guntur-Tenali highway, the university is a virtual heaven of rural quiet and idyllic beauty. Under the able guidance of Dr. Lau Rattaya Garu, Chairman, Vignan's Group, and Lau Sri Krishna Devarayal Garu, Vice Chairman and the Member of Parliament, the Department of Management Studies started functioning from 2009 with the twin objectives of offers a 2-year full-time MBA program, 3-year undergraduate program and a doctoral program.
The Department of Management Studies started its master's degree in 2009 and BBA in 2011.
The department is acknowledged for its research, excellent teaching and learning activities in an intellectually stimulating environment.
Kaizen is a student body of the Department of Management Studies, formed with an objective of professional development of students on academic and non-academic fronts. Kaizen means key to ambitious and intellectual zone of excellence for novelty. At DMS, students gain a rich and rewarding learning experience by planning, organizing and leading the various activities. Our counseling system allows students in clarifying their problem, coping with depression, improving personal skills, and managing anxiety. An initiative by students with the insights shared by the faculty of the department. Hungry Harbor. It is a program first of its kind in the field of management studies. Students enhance their skills by experiencing a real-time environment. MBA students after second semester and BBA students after fourth semester about a period of 3 months as interns. The department has made an association in the view of knowledge extension and expansion with Nipissing University, Canada, and successfully handling contemporary projects in which both faculty and students are involved. The institution provides rich scope and facilities for different clubs like literary, cultural, sports, and finance. These clubs offer a platform for students to exhibit their innate and latent talents in the area of interest. The department has a full-fledged integrated placement team, which invites a leading branch of the corporate world to campus every year. 80% students get placement every year, and some of our recruiters at a glance.
I am Sujit Kumar from 3rd BBA. I am very grateful to be graduated from Vignan University. Our faculty is most experienced and qualified faculty in our management, but in more number of activities, not only participating, they help us to coordinate the activities, number of activities in our department and university-wise. They guide us a lot about our future and our higher education.
For me, Vignan University means home away from home. Our management department allows us to do internship in various reputed organizations. For example, I think I found a lot of difference before internship and after internship. Simply, I say Robo and Robo 2.0. Like that, Lolita before internship and Lolita after internship.
It is a pride that students cherish with the award of degree at convocation, and a unique aspect is that parents are felicitated with their award in the convocation. That is, both students and parents are appreciated for their efforts. Felicitation is the integral part where parents are honored by the university.
ఉత్తమ విద్యార్థి అనేది తెలుసుకోవటానికి ఆ విద్యా సంస్థ ఉపాధ్యాయుల మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. అటువంటి ఉపాధ్యాయులు ట్రైనింగ్లో మా కుమారుడు ఉత్తమ విద్యార్థిగా ఎంచుకోవటం అనేది చాలా ఆనందకరంగా ఉంది. ఈరోజు మా అనుభూతి అనేది తెలియజేయటం మాటల్లో అలివి కానిది. దాన్ని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ఆస్వాదించవలసిందే. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ ద ఛాన్స్.
Students facilitated with faculty visit different companies during the course to get industrial insights and get equipped with business standards.